Hey guys! Today let's learn how to turn off parental controls on your iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and turn off the parental controls on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. That's gonna be pretty easy, because your parental controls, or the content and privacy restrictions, do not access specific websites or applications, will be located under your screen time. So go ahead and launch these settings. And I want you to scroll down to screen time right here. And I want you to go ahead and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now let's have this turned off. And basically, it's that easy. That's how you guys could turn off your parental controls on the iPhone device. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.